The Gullah GeeChee people are descendants of enslaved Africans. They were brought to the coastal regions of the southeastern United States. These regions include parts of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. Gullah GeeChee cuisine reflects this heritage. It is a vibrant tapestry of West African traditions and local ingredients. The journey began with the transatlantic slave trade. Enslaved Africans carried their culinary knowledge and skills with them. They brought seeds, spices, and techniques. These became the foundation of a unique and enduring food culture. Gullah GeeChee food tells a story of survival, resilience, and adaptation. It is a testament to the power of food to connect people to their past. It also connects them to their present and future. The cuisine highlights the ingenuity of those who were forced to make do with limited resources. It showcases their creativity in transforming simple ingredients into flavorful dishes. The flavors of West Africa are evident in the use of ingredients like rice, okra, black-eyed peas, and hot peppers. The cooking methods such as one-pot stews and slow cooking techniques further emphasize these connections. One-pot meals like gumbo and jambalaya reflect the West African tradition of combining rice, vegetables, and meats in a single pot. This maximized flavor and minimized waste. This was essential in challenging circumstances. Slow cooking methods, often used for tougher cuts of meat, ensured tenderness and developed deep, rich flavors. These culinary traditions were passed down through generations. This happened primarily through oral tradition. The lack of literacy among enslaved Africans meant that recipes and techniques were shared through spoken word and demonstration. This oral history continues to be an integral part of Gullah GeeChee foodways. It ensures the survival of these precious culinary traditions. It also strengthens the bonds within Gullah GeeChee communities. Rice stands as a symbol of resilience and cultural identity in Gullah GeeChee cuisine. It is more than just a staple food. It represents a deep connection to West African ancestry. Enslaved Africans, particularly those from rice-growing regions, brought their expertise to the Carolina Low Country. This region's climate and geography proved ideal for cultivating rice. It became the backbone of the Gullah GeeChee diet. The importance of rice is evident in the variety of ways it is prepared in Gullah GeeChee cuisine. From fluffy white rice to savory red rice, each dish holds its own significance. Red rice, a signature dish, gets its distinctive color and nutty flavor from the addition of tomatoes, onions, and often bacon or smoked meat. It is a testament to the Gullah GeeChee ability to transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Another example is perlo, a one-pot rice dish similar to West African jollof rice. Perlo typically includes meat or seafood, vegetables, and seasonings. It is cooked slowly, allowing the flavors to meld together. The versatility of rice is further demonstrated in dishes like Hoppin' John. This dish combines rice with black-eyed peas, often cooked with pork for added flavor. These rice-based dishes are not merely sustenance. They are a celebration of heritage, ingenuity, and the enduring spirit of the Gullah GeeChee people. Each grain of rice tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the creation of a unique and vibrant culinary tradition. Gullah GeeChee cuisine is a testament to resourcefulness, limited resources, and the need to make do with what was available, fostered a spirit of culinary ingenuity. What might be considered undesirable ingredients in other culinary traditions were transformed into delicacies in Gullah GeeChee kitchens. This resourcefulness is evident in the use of every part of an animal, minimizing waste. Organ meats, often overlooked, were prized for their flavor and nutritional value. Dishes like chitlins, pig intestines, and liver and onions became staples. These dishes showcase the ability to transform the seemingly undesirable into something delicious and nourishing. Seafood, abundant in coastal regions, played a central role. The resourcefulness of Gullah GeeChee cooking extended beyond ingredients. Cooking techniques also reflected this spirit of adaptation. One-pot meals like gumbo and jambalaya maximize flavor while minimizing fuel and cooking time. Slow cooking methods, often employed for tougher cuts of meat or seafood, ensured tenderness and allowed flavors to develop fully. This approach to cooking is not merely about sustenance. It reflects a deep respect for ingredients and commitment to utilizing everything available. It highlights the creativity and resilience of the Gullah GeeChee people. They were able to create something extraordinary from limited resources. Gullah GeeChee foodways extend far beyond the plate. They are deeply intertwined with community, celebration, and the preservation of cultural heritage. Food serves as a powerful tool for bringing people together, strengthening bonds, and passing on traditions. One of the most significant aspects of Gullah GeeChee foodways is the tradition of oral history. Recipes and techniques have been passed down through generations, primarily through spoken word and demonstration. This oral tradition ensures the survival of these precious culinary traditions and strengthens the bonds within Gullah GeeChee communities. Food plays a central role in Gullah GeeChee celebrations. Sunday dinners, often after church services, are a time for families to gather and share a meal. Holidays like Christmas, Easter, and Thanksgiving are marked by special dishes and culinary traditions. The preparation of these meals is often a communal effort, with multiple generations coming together to cook, share stories, and celebrate their heritage. The enduring spirit of Gullah GeeChee foodways is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Gullah GeeChee people. Their cuisine is a celebration of their African heritage, their connection to the land and sea, and their ability to transform adversity into something beautiful and enduring. As Gullah GeeChee foodways gain increasing recognition and appreciation, they serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage and the power of food to connect us to our past, present, and future.